people do you think die from smoking each year? According to the Center of Disease Control, more than 480,000 people die from smoking a year. Many of us see people using tobacco products in our daily lives, whether it's someone we know or someone walking on the street. So you should know that there are 3 major downfalls to using tobacco products. The 3 major downfalls to tobacco use are secondhand smoke, heart and blood vessel problems, and cancer. The first major downfall I will be talking about is secondhand smoke. What is secondhand smoke? Secondhand smoke is smoke you inhale from someone else's lit cigarette, or smoke you inhale from them exhaling cigarette smoke. So that's really gross. According to WebMD, there are 4,000 different compounds in cigarettes, more than 50 of which can cause cancer and can float into your lungs. Secondhand smoke can affect children in negative ways because their bodies are still developing. Secondhand smoke can result in SIDS, bronchitis, pneumonia, severe asthma attacks, ear infections, and chronic cough. One of the biggest risks for everybody in secondhand smoke is heart disease. WebMD states research shows that breathing in secondhand smoke for as little as 10 minutes can cause damage to your heart. And women who are exposed to secondhand smoke face a 69% higher risk of getting heart disease. So if you're sitting around talking to someone who's smoking just for 10 minutes, you can damage your heart already. An estimated 46,000 non-smokers die each year of heart disease who live with smokers. So if you live with a smoker, your risk of getting heart disease is way higher. Now that I have covered secondhand smoke, I will be now informing you about the effects of tobacco and heart disease problems. Smoking cigarettes raises your blood pressure, which can become more serious and develop into heart disease. The American Heart Association stated that each cigarette you smoke temporarily increases your blood pressure for many minutes after you finish. The risk of having high blood pressure are serious and dangerous. Cigarette smoke exposure is known to also cause thrombosis, which is a clot in your blood clot. Thrombosis or blood clotting is very dangerous and can be deadly. Thrombosis can lead to cardiovascular disease, which 40% of smokers die from each year, according to the American Heart Association. Smoking can also cause irregular heart rate. According to PubMD, when at rest, a smoker's heart rate becomes faster. When a smoker exercises, their heart rate is slower than normal, which makes it hard to exercise. This puts a lot of strain on the heart. So if you smoke and then you go to exercise, you're going to have a lot more trouble exercising and losing weight because your heart rate won't be working hard enough for you to do that amount of energy and lose weight. My final piece of information to you will be about how tobacco can cause cancer. Cancer of the esophagus is caused more by smokeless tobacco. Esophageal cancer is more common in men than in women because more men use chew or dip or snuff. According to the American Cancer Society, 15,210 deaths occur a year from esophageal cancer. Cancer of the mouth is a precursor for esophageal cancer. Statistics for this are way lower in people passing away at only 7,300, but it's just as dangerous. So mouth cancer being a precursor just means that you'll probably get mouth cancer and then most likely you'll get esophageal cancer, so it's still really dangerous. So you can try to stop it earlier. Kidney cancer increases significantly if you are a smoker. According to Cancer Research UK, the chances increase by 50%. So if you're a smoker, you are more likely to get kidney cancer. But risks fall if you stop smoking for up to 10 years. So you still have a chance of quitting and not getting cancer of the kidney. So today I've informed you about the 3 downfalls of tobacco use, which include secondhand smoke, heart and blood vessel problems, and cancer. It is important to be aware and informed about these topics. So now you can go out and educate people on the effects of tobacco. Just remember these facts and the people you see smoking a day, and you can remind them of the disadvantages of smoking.